Technical shit. Fixing shit in the boat. Fixing shit in the boat.
So this panel is showing our power situation. You can see we have 71% left, and we're getting 2.7 amps of power into the boat. It's the solar cells that's producing the power. As you know, we also have a wind generator, but the problem is that the panel is not showing the power we're getting from the wind generator. So I'm gonna change some of the wiring so that we can see everything on the panel. It says we have 71%. I think it's more like 90 actually. None of the power that the wind generator is producing is getting counted. So I'm gonna try to fix it. And that means I have to shut down the wind for some minutes, so it's worth it to get more precise info. So I'm gonna find some tools. I think I might need this, maybe this, definitely this, maybe this, so I can see the voltage and everything, so I know I'm doing it correctly. I think that's Asbjørn is snooping around on my documenting.
On his little movie set.
Yeah.
Let's go, going.
Yeah, trying. So before getting down to the dirty stuff, I changed to my dirty clothes. Yeah, my working clothes. I realized that I have to tie off the wind generator so it doesn't spin, because now it doesn't spin, but I'm gonna disconnect it all. So that means that this won't be stopping the wind turbine from spinning. So tie it off with something so it doesn't just spin into infinity. Let's see.
A little lasso.
Maybe, and it's spinning. Oh,
come on.
You fall. Well, it's a start. Yeah, I can work with this. Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Yeah.
That's not going anywhere.
Tight.
Perfect. Then we'll just tie it off here, I guess.
And I'm safe.
I don't know what would happen if I just let it spin.
Probably generating power.
No, but it wouldn't, because it's disconnected. So it also wouldn't be stopping it from spinning. So it would just spin as fast as the wind could take it.
Oh.
I guess.
Yeah.
So maybe I don't think that will be very good. But
no, that could be damaging.
But this looks nice.
Yep.
Yes.
Locked in place.
Locked in place. On to the next task.
Yes.
So I disconnected the wire. It's laying here now. Yeah. This is the negative from the wind thing. But to attach it, I think I have to step even further down into this shithole. So let's see. The wide angle makes it look spacious, but it's really not. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. Hey, that's laughing at me. But I'm trying my best here. This is not nice at all. And it started to rain. I really want to be doing this with the power and everything, with the electrical stuff when it's raining, but I'm gonna close it up and take a break. Wait till the rain passes. And so I'll just wait a minute. Looks like the tie-off is working though, so that's nice. So now I'm heading down here with my nice shorts and shoes and everything. It's kind of a snug fit. My tools, and then I have to do some thinking to realize how to do everything. So this is the charge controller to the wind and also solar, but we're not using the solar, we're using this for solar. This is for wind. This down here, if we connect the negatives to this one, that's what's showing inside the electrical panel with the percentage and everything. So the problem is that the wind generator, it's wired directly to the batteries, but not to this. So I can't see what the wind generator is producing. So I'm gonna follow these wires behind, these ones, and disconnect the negative and connect the negative to this negative bus bar, which is the shunt for the master volt thing. Nerd stuff. Very nerdy, but I like it. I didn't really think I'd have to change the cable. That's it. That is it. And then I just disconnected this to get some extra space, but that's showing to the autopilot where the rudder is. So yeah, this is the rudder. Just connect this here again, like this, and then I think we're ready to see if everything is as it should be. So I'll just turn the power on first for the guys inside, the guys and girls inside. So now they should have power. What? You got power! I'll remove this one. Asbjørn's towel that I got to borrow for my niece. And then I'll remove the freaking rope. And then, last step, allowing the wind generator to spin again. Whoop. Woo! Now, everything should be good. So now, yeah, it should start to spin because there's some wind. Nice. And then, we should also be able to see all the juice coming in. Well, it says, still says we're losing power. No! But I guess...
The battery is at 100%.
Yeah, but that's not true actually. Because when I reset the switch, it also resets the count.
So it's not actually on 100.
No, it's probably, you can judge the voltage, so it's 13.1 now, so it's, I guess it's probably around 90. Yeah.
That's a lot of juice.
That's a lot of juice. But we should be able to very soon see the power coming in from the wind. So yeah, job done, I guess, I hope.